Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to create DeepSeek AI account. To create an account on DeepSeek AI, visit the DeepSeek AI sign up page. If signing up within Gmail, fill in the necessary information. Confirm your password before send a verification code to your Gmail. Click Send Code and log into your Gmail account for verification code. I open another tab and log into my mail for find verification code. After log into your Gmail, click Update for verification code from DeepSeek. This is my DeepSeek registration verification code. Copy this code and paste this code in DeepSeek sign up page code options. After accept terms and condition, click sign up for registration in DeepSeek AI. Registration done. Now I type a question and waiting for DeepSeek response. My question is, which is the most powerful AI? Let's see the answer from DeepSeek. DeepSeek start to showing my answer, one by one. Here we can see, OpenAI, GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and other most powerful AI name with details. I hope you can understand. Now time for your turns. Let's try to register into DeepSeek and enjoy a useful artificial intelligence features. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.